I'm here to shed some light on the sun. It's a massive ball of hot gases that provides us with light and heat. The sun is about 4.6 billion years old and is a middle-aged star. It's so huge that you could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. The sun's energy is produced through nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy which reaches us as sunlight. So next time you're basking in the sun's rays, remember how incredible this star truly is.